Everyone wants that trendy, expensive-looking outfit these days, but most guys dress the same, blindly follow trends, and still wonder why they never look stylish. The truth? Your dressing sense needs work. In this video, I'll show you how to dress better in 4 simple steps, without wasting money or overthinking it. Step 1. Dress simple. If you want to look stylish and mature, avoid bright colors and cartoon prints. They make you look childish. Opt for simple, minimalistic clothes that fit well. A plain black t-shirt that hugs your shoulders instantly looks better than a flashy, oversized hoodie with prints. Stick to neutral shades like black, white, gray, navy, beige, or olive green. These colors never go out of style and match almost anything. Quick tip, if your outfit looks loud or distracting, tone it down. Style isn't about being noticed for your clothes, it's about being noticed for how good you look in them. Fit matters too. Even simple clothes look premium if they fit right. Roll your sleeves, tuck in shirts properly, and make sure your pants sit well on your shoes. Step 2. Build your wardrobe. Building a versatile wardrobe is key. Tops. Start with 2 basic t-shirts, black and white. They go with everything. Add 2 shirts, 1 plain and 1 checkered, for casual or semi-formal looks. Layer them over tees for a polished vibe. Bottoms. 2 pairs of jeans, dark blue and black, cover almost every outfit. For a more stylish look, consider trendy, baggy Korean-style pants. They pair well with simple tops. Layering. A leather jacket, black or brown, instantly adds confidence and edge. A long coat in black, gray, or navy exudes elegance and gives an old money feel. Footwear. 2 pairs are enough to start. White sneakers and black boots. Keep them clean. Dirty shoes ruin any look. Accessories. Keep it simple. A leather strap watch, a bracelet, and a leather belt. Small details make your outfit look intentional and polished. Step 3. Understand colors. Colors can make or break your outfit. Even simple clothes look expensive if you choose the right shades. Gray, charcoal, navy, burgundy, and black always work. They look clean, mature, and confident. Follow the 3-color rule. Don't use more than 3 colors in one outfit. For example, white t-shirt, blue jeans, black shoes. Simple and stylish. Too many colors look messy. Monochrome outfits also work well. Stick to the same color family, like dark gray jeans with a black jacket, or navy pants with a light blue shirt. It makes you look taller, smarter, and more put together. Step 4. Find your own style. Before buying clothes, know your style. The most expensive outfit won't look good if it doesn't match your vibe. Browse Pinterest or Instagram for outfits that catch your eye. Save what you'd actually wear: streetwear, starboy aesthetic, vintage, etc. Ask yourself, do you prefer baggy or fitted clothes? Bright or muted colors? Once you know your vibe, build your wardrobe around it. When you understand your style, shopping becomes easy. You'll stop wasting money on clothes that don't suit you. Everything you wear matches your personality, and that's what makes you look confident, not just stylish. Real style isn't about following trends, it's about wearing what feels like you. That's it. If you want a more detailed video on dressing, drop a comment. And if you're serious about leveling up your style and personality, subscribe and hit the bell icon.